up. Just I think that's just lack of bad news or worse news. They're up. They're gapping all over the place. Obviously, we're not going to be able to play anything in there. The only Anadarko, I believe I saw Occidental they put in a bid for Anadarko, so that's why they're up nearly 12%. Those markets are going to be untradeable. We know we're not. They're 20-25 cents wide. We're not going to be able to do anything there. What just came off? Lyft is actually down below 60 for right now. Not a big deal. Like I said, we have time. Really no gaps other than that